Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right guys, this is my seedlings, and my seedling doing pretty well. A couple days ago the weather went down to maybe like 29 degrees, and because of this shelter that I have over these seedlings, the weather doing nothing to them. This things really works, and I'm so excited because now it saved me from got to set cabbage, collard greens, broccoli indoors. I could actually do it outdoors. So this is for people who dealing with weather that the ground don't freeze. If the ground freeze, then it's a whole different ball game. So if you in zone 8, 9, 10, you could definitely grow your seedlings outdoors. And right now we in December. This is December weather we're dealing with, and look how healthy these seedlings are. So what I'm doing today, I'm actually taking care of them. You see what I'm doing? I'm adding soil around them. So while they're growing, you know, I keep covering their roots. So what they're gonna be doing, they're gonna be creating more roots, so they're gonna get stronger. So by the time January reach, these seedlings gonna definitely be ready to get outside to be transplanted. So right now they're doing pretty well. I'm just walking and fixing them, make sure that their root, and if you see them, they're not looking leggy. They're not leggy seedlings. They're doing pretty good because they're getting the sunlight from through this container. This container keep off the cold weather, but at the end of the day, it's important that the ground does not freeze. So because the ground is not freezing, these seedlings able to stand the cold because of the shelter of the plastic. So this is a good way, guys. You can definitely be putting your seedlings outdoors if you're in zone 8, 9, 10 and these places, instead of struggling indoors to plant, to set them indoors and dealing with grow lights and all this kind of stuff. These seedlings also can take cold weather. So we have broccoli, we have cabbage, we have cauliflower. Yes, that's what we have right here growing, and they're doing pretty fine. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Peace.